Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will do the responsiveness of the hero section. So if I decrease the screen size, as you can notice, we are on the larger screen. So this looks okay. But when I move the screen to MD, okay, this is a medium device, so it doesn't look good. And even in the small screen, it doesn't look good. And in the mobile, it does not look good. Okay, so we need to fix this. So first we will fix the left side, okay, and then we will fix the right side. So let me keep as it is, and here first we need to fix this left subcontainer. Okay, so this is absolute, so I will change this to relative. Okay, in mobile we will do relative, and in SM I need this to be absolute. If I save this and if I go back, as you can see, this has moved down. Let's continue working on this. Only one change will not fix the problem, so we need to make more changes. So this top, I needed this in Excel, okay, and in medium device I need this to be top 36, and in SM I need the top to be 28, okay, and padding from left and right I need 6, and in LG I need padding from left and right to be 0, and in small device I need this width of half, and in mobile it will be 100%. If I save this and now if I go back, now as you can see, we are getting this Tailwind CSS mastery at the top, and this is at the bottom, and this one below that. So we will fix everything. Now we will change this font size, okay, because it is too huge for mobile. So let's fix that. So I need this font text 7XL only in the Excel screen. Otherwise the text size should be 4XL, okay, and this I'll cut it, and in the last I'll paste it XL, which is to be 7XL, okay, and in larger screen I need text to be 6XL, okay. If I save this and if I go back, now you notice we have decreased the font size, and as you can see we are having a lot of space here. So what I'll do is in the mobile device I will hide the break, okay. So to do that, here in the break tag we need to add a class which is called hidden. So class that is going to be hidden. If I save this, now in the mobile, as you can see, we are getting this in one line because I have hidden the break. And in larger screen, okay, once it crossed the mobile, then we can keep it as block, okay. So from SM to XL, okay, to XL it will be block. So if I increase this, you can see this is block. Okay, let's fix this first. Now what else we need? Here in the p tag we will do some changes. So in mobile I need text XL, but in MD I need this text to be base, okay, 16 pixel, and in SM I need text to be small. Okay, let me save this. Nothing happens, but in small, this is the font size is SM. Okay, so let's continue working on this. So the left panel is done. We will see what else we can change. So this gap is too much. So where is the H1 tag? So margin bottom is too much here. What I'll do is I'll keep the margin bottom as 2 in the mobile, and in SM I want this margin bottom to be 6. Okay, save this. Now this margin gap has gone. Now let's work on the right section. So here in the mobile I will do float none, okay, and in SM I need float right. Let's save this. Now this is below the left section. And one more thing, in the left section, this paragraph, same thing, I want this to be for the break. Okay, so hidden and small I need block. Okay, in the SM I need block. So now this is covering the entire line, and I think text should be small in mobile, and from SM we need the text to be LG. Okay, remove this. Now it is looking good. Okay, so let's continue. So in small device I need the width to be half, okay, and in large device, I need the width to be 2/3. Let me save this. Now as you can see, we are getting the entire section, okay, because now the width of this section is 100%. So this is looking good, but we need to fix a lot of things. So now h3 tag, this one in mobile, I will hide this because we don't require this in mobile. Here I will do hidden, okay, and in small device I will do it block, okay. Save this, go back, so it is gone. Not in small, we can keep it in large device, okay. We don't require this in SM also. If you want, you can keep it, but then you need to fix all the other stuff like padding, margin and all. So it's better to hide in the mobile because this image already has that. So that's why I've removed it. And this top for mobile, we don't require. We need this for Excel. Okay, so here at the last, we will do some changes. So Excel, I need top 52, 56, and LG, I need top to be 44. Then text size also we can change this. So this should be in the Excel device, okay, Excel screen. So here I'll cut and I'll put it Excel and paste it. And in large device, we need the text to be 4XL. Let's save this, go back. So we can't see this change in mobile, but once I complete this mobile screen, then we will check all the other screens, okay? So SM and all. Right now, we can't see anything. We'll fix it, we will fix it. Let's finish the mobile section first, okay? So this div, we need by default to be 16, okay? Margin bottom should be 16. And then in SM, we need margin bottom to be 10. And in LG, we need margin bottom to be 24. And in Excel, I need the margin bottom to be 32. Okay, save this. Now, as you can see, the position of this button has changed, and this text for mobile, it should be SM, and for Excel, we can keep it as text to Excel. Okay, save this. Now the font size has decreased for this button. Now we need few more changes to be done. So as you can notice, we are not getting that gray color background. For this is the gray color background which you can see, but in mobile we are not able to see that. So let's check what is the issue for that. So this image, we can change the height for mobile. So width can be 11 by 12, and this width full, let me cut it out, and at the last we will do for SM, okay, width full. Let's save this. Now as you can see, we are getting this gray background. And now lastly, we will do some changes for this. So in mobile, we need margin left to be 1, and in SM, we need minus margin left 8. Okay, okay, there was some issue. Let me check this. We can change this to 16. Not this one. Okay, not this one, not this one. Let me undo this. This was SM with full. Okay, we need to change this one. Okay, so margin left can be 1 and SM can be margin left minus 16. So as you can see, we are getting this dot svg dots. Okay, so in mobile we have fixed everything. As you can see, in mobile everything is looking good, but this we need to change. These boxes are too big and it is covering the entire part. So let's go at the top left decoration, and this we can fix it. So by default the width should be 32. Okay, so let me change this. Control D, sorry, Command D, Command D, Command D, and 32. And we can give the width here for MD. From MD, it will be width of 56. And in MD, height will be again 56. Just copy this and paste it here. Sorry, where is the left decoration? Okay, save this. Now let's go back. So as you can see, the boxes have decreased in the size, but now this is touching to this. So in the section, okay, in the hero section, here we can do some, we can give some margin top. So in mobile we can give margin top as 10, and in SM we can give margin top as 0. Okay, save this. Now this has come down and it is looking better. If you want, you can keep this in center also. You can just play around with it. And now here also we need some margin bottom. So in the paragraph, what I'll do is I'll do margin bottom of, let's say, 2, and in SM I need margin bottom of 0. Okay, save this. If you want, you can increase this, like, and keep it 4. Okay, so this looks good to me. Now here, as you can see, this Z index is having a problem. So here, where is the links? Okay, here it is. So we can give Z index of, let's say, 10. Okay, now you can see we are getting this. It is clickable now. So this looks fine for me in mobile device. Okay, now let's check all the other devices, like what happens when I go to SM. Okay, in SM we are having a problem, so we are not able to see the image, and even this is not looking good. So let's check what is the issue. Let me check the other. Medium also is having a problem. Only large screen is looking good. Okay, large screen, in the large screen we are not having any issue. Only these boxes are too big, so we can fix that in large screen. Let's check the large screen. So these are the boxes. Okay, so in large screen we can change this width of, let's say, 48, height of 48. Let me copy this. Now the boxes are small, but still I think 44 is better. So Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D, Command D, and 44. Okay, this is better. Okay, so in large screen everything is fixed. We don't need to do anything. And now let's check the Excel. Excel is also fine. We don't need to do anything for Excel. Large is okay. But in MD we are having a problem, and in SM we are having a problem. But in mobile everything is fine. So SM and MD is having a problem. So let's check it out. What is the problem for MD? So here is our hero section. This is relative. What if I do like medium? Nothing happens. So where is the image gone? Let's check in the code. Okay, so this you need to keep it SM only. Okay, don't keep it LG. So I found one issue. Okay, so this in the right side container, I forgot to give width, which needs to be half. Okay, now if I go back to the browser, now you can see we are getting this on the right side and this on the left side, and it is looking good. So if I increase this to, let's say, medium, sorry, large is also fine, and Excel is also fine, medium is also fine, and small also fine. But here we need to fix something. We need to fix this. So, but in medium it is fine. But if you want, you can change this box size in medium. So let's go back to decoration. So in medium device it is 44. So let's keep 44 in medium device only and remove this. So let me once again, let me remove this. Okay, LG, just remove this. We will keep 44 for the medium device, so it will 44, it will reflect in LG also. Okay, larger device also. So now it is looking good. In LG is looking fine. Excel is also good. Only in small device we need to fix this. So let's see what is the problem. So this is right, no, this is the left subheader. So here I think the text size is having some issue. So what is the text? It's 4XL. 4XL is fine, I guess. Then what is the problem? This padding. Let's change this. Okay. Now what else we need to change? This is looking better. Only in SM we are having a problem. So let's inspect and do it. Then it would be easy for us. So what is the problem with this? Okay, this font size is too big, and even there is a lot of padding from top, I guess, which is having some issue. In the SM, I have kept 28, so 28 is too much, I think. Can we drop it to anything lesser? Okay, so this 28 is, I think, too much. So let's do it 24, or maybe we can keep it 20. Okay, now it has gone up, but this font size is not okay. So text small, and then text LG is too much, I think, for SM. So you also need to, if there are any changes, you also need to inspect and see which class is having that, okay, problem, or you just need to work on this, okay? Because if I do just typing and just correct it, then it would not be fine. So you also need to check, inspect, okay, this is the class, here are the properties. You can also make changes and all, okay? So just play around with it and you will get an idea. So where were we in the p tag? This small text LG is too much, so we will do it MD. Okay, instead of SM we will do MG. So where is that text? Here, so MD. Okay, MD is text base, so remove this and let's keep text small. Okay, now it is fine. As you can see, this is fine now. Let me close this, and if I increase this box now, sorry, increase the screen, now everything is fine. So Excel is fine, LG is fine, MD is fine, SM is fine, and in mobile we are stacking this one below each other. So this is looking much better. Okay, first it was, everything was messed up, now it is fine. So we have completed the responsiveness of our hero section. If you want to make any changes, if you want to play around with the code, or if you want to play around with the CSS, you can just go ahead and do it. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.